Now here I already sent you table in the video of sine inverse x. Here is the domain function works. So this is the curve of sine x, like here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, here minus 5. When you look at this is 1 and minus 1. When it reaches on minus 1, then move to 0, then 1, 0, then minus 1. According to the values, this curve is made. This is for the sine inverse. That is, if you go with the principal value of sine inverse, that lies between 0 and 360 degree. So if you look at this, your principal value, your angles is up to 360 degree. This one 2 pi and 2 pi here also. Then that is y is equal to sine x. And if you go with the sine inverse, principal value of sine inverse, then this will consider as your principal value branch. That is your range and that is your domain. Principal value means whatever answer you get after the table, like here in the domain and range. Domain you consider as independent value, range consider as your dependent value. I already told in the group also, after getting the value like this, if I go with the principal value of the sine theta, principal value sine theta lies between 1 and minus 1. So range of sine theta is 1 minus 1 and domain is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So that is considered as domain. That is the angle. And after substituting angle, whatever we get the value, that we consider a principal value. But if we go with the sine inverse principal value is this one, because this is the range of sine inverse and this is the domain of sine inverse. In other words, we can say that whether it is sine theta, whether it is sine inverse theta, whatever range value is there, that is considered as your principal value. So that is the figure of the sine inverse. When sine inverse we consider, so in sine x we go this curve with the horizontal, but in sine inverse term condition will be opposite. Y axis become angles and x axis become 1 minus 1, because independent value should be between 1 and minus 1 and dependent value should be in the angle form. Similarly, this is cos inverse x function lies in this 0 to pi here. When we go with the cos inverse, so that value, horizontal value means whatever domain value is there, so in y axis that becomes the domain value, and here independent value become 1 minus 1, and here your independent value is the angle and dependent value is 1 minus 1. Here independent value is 1 minus 1, dependent value is angles. Similarly, in tan inverse, move from all, because in tan inverse there is all real numbers is included, so here angles become domain and all real numbers at the answer become the range. But here if tan inverse function is there, all real numbers become domain and all angles become the range of the inverse function. Now this is cosecant inverse. Cosecant inverse, I told you, does not crosses 1 and minus 1. If it is cosecant x, then meaning of cosecant x is values lies between, domain value lies between 1 and minus 1 and range value, like here these are the angles, these are the domain value, and range beyond 1 and minus 1. It means cosecant theta does not lies between 1 and minus 1, it goes beyond. When its value reaches to 1, it move back to infinity. Here also it reaches minus 1, move back to infinity. So domain of cosecant is angles and range is beyond 1 and minus 1. Similarly, inverse is domain means independent value. Independent value lies beyond 1 and minus 1, but range lies on the angles. The principal value will be the angle of this. So whatever range is there, that is become the principal value. Similarly, secant inverse x also lies between beyond 1 minus 1, not lies between 1 and minus 1. So these are the secant x curve, and here when you go with the inverse, so that figure move into this place, like here x changes into y axis and y changes into x axis, like here domain becomes beyond 1 and minus 1 value, and range becomes all your angles. The range is considered as your principal value. Here also in a cot inverse case also same. Cot inverse, your all real numbers consider here 0 to pi. Like here 0 to pi, it goes from infinity. When it reaches to pi, it reaches infinity, and 0 infinity, infinity to minus infinity. Here domain independent value is angle, and range is infinity means all real numbers. Here also in cot inverse x, your all angles become the range, and you all like minus infinity to infinity. Here negative values, here positive value. So that becomes the domain. These are the domain, and output is form of the angle in cot inverse x. So these are some operations we will do. So here we have done already formula. So this is the table of this sine inverse, cos inverse, cosecant inverse, domain values and range value according to the table. So here also I have some values of tan theta. So these are the table. So this is the value of the quadrants, like 90 minus theta, first quadrant 90 plus theta, second quadrant pi minus theta, 180 minus theta, your second quadrant pi plus theta, third quadrant, and 3 pi by 2 minus theta, mean 270 minus theta, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, then again first quadrant. And your rule is that in this first quadrant here all positive, here only sine and cosecant is positive, here tan and cot is positive, and here cos and secant is positive. And in the first quadrant all is positive. According to that you have to go. Only remember one condition is that when here is 90 degree, here is 270 degree, here is 0 degree or 360 degree, and here is 180 degree. Whenever 180 degree or 360 degree condition occurs, trigonometric terms never be changed, only changed in 90 degree and 270 degree. Suppose here it is sine 90 minus theta, that becomes cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, and secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Similarly, if it is go in a second quadrant, only sine and cosecant value will be positive, and because 90 is used, then trigonometric term will be changed. But if it is 180 minus theta, trigonometric term will be same, only sine and cosecant value will be positive, other all values are negative. So you and all these quadrant rules work according to that. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any problem, then please free to contact me.